So today I'm going to take off my shoes that I wear from driving and also from graduation ceremony. So this is the shoes that I'm wearing today. Hello everybody, so Asong Filipina again. I'm just home from the graduation ceremony and also from driving, and today I'm going to take off these shoes that I wear for the ceremony with my dress matching. So I'm gonna take this off. It's just a quick video. So I'm wearing shorts. Okay, next is this one. So that's all, and today we're going to unbox because I have some shoes that coming from Shein. So also outfit that from Shein. So later on I'm going to unbox. So for now, that's all, and again, see you next video. Bye everyone, love you all. But by the way, before we go, you can just you can also check out my Patreon account for membership. You can check it there, some driving videos, and you can choose some tiers what do you want to join. And also for my channel, I would like to say thank you everyone. So we are now 13,000 followers, so thank you so much. And also again, for membership you can join level 3, and for my channel membership you can click the join button level 3, and it's more on driving videos, and level 2 is crashing, but mostly I uploaded it more to my Patreon account. So if you want crashing video, you can just check out my Patreon account. Link is in my channel description. So that's all for now again. Bye everyone.